Hello everyone and welcome back to Stock Strategies. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful concepts in personal finance, the power of compounding. If you're new to investing, compounding might sound like a complex financial term, but it's actually a very simple and powerful concept. In essence, compounding means that your money can grow exponentially over time if you invest it wisely and let it work for you. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video is for you. We're going to explain the power of compounding, how it works, and how you can use it to make your money work for you. The power of compounding is best explained through an example. Let's say you invest $1,000 in the stock market with an average annual return of 10%. After 1 year, your investment will be worth $1,100. But here's where things get interesting. If you leave that money invested and continue to earn 10% returns each year, after 10 years, your initial $1,000 investment will have grown to $2,593.74. That's more than double your initial investment, without you having to do anything except let your money work for you. Now, imagine if you were to invest even more money each year. The power of compounding would make your returns even more impressive. If you were to invest $5,000 per year for 10 years at 10% return, your initial $50,000 investment would grow to over $78,000. But the real power of compounding comes with time. The longer you let your money compound, the more it will grow. If you were to invest $1,000 per year for 40 years at 10% return, your initial $40,000 investment would grow to over $1 million. That's the power of compounding. So there you have it, the power of compounding. By investing your money wisely and letting it work for you over time, you can achieve impressive returns without having to do anything. Of course, investing comes with risks, so it's important to do your research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Stock Strategies for more personal finance tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.